Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And today I'm bring here is the what I bring here is the Redmi Note 12 Pro. It's latest model from series from Redmi, and it's also one of the best cost-effective phones in the market. This time they have the Note 12, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Plus. And this time I'm going to show you the Redmi Note 12 Pro. And here the 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 addition we got is 8 GB RAM plus 256 GB ROM. The color is called Light Dream and Galaxy. I think it's the pink color. And okay, next let's check what's inside these books, and we will do a very quick unboxing video on this model, and then we will talk on the specifications and main features about these phones. So here, after I open the books, okay, first is another small package. Open it, SIM card ejector, and here is the, I think it's the quick start. Okay, a transparent soft case, plastic soft case. So this is all the stuff in this small package. Okay, let's put it aside. And okay, under this package, whoa, the smartphone Redmi Note 12 Pro is in front of us. And before we check the smartphone, okay, charger. Whoa, charger, 67 watt fast charger, Type C to USB fast charger, and this time it's have a 5000 big batteries as well. Cable, USB to Type C cable. Okay, so this is the other stuff and accessories in this box. And next, okay, let's go to the smartphone itself. Okay, you can see the smartphone was in a soft plastic bag. Whoa, and okay, let's peel off this. Okay, whoa, no, so now after we get it from the soft plastic bags, the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus is in front of us, and I think this Light Dream Galaxy Edition is so shining, and there are a lot of shining dots on the back panel of this model. Whoa, it's so shining. And here, from bottom to the upside, is from big to small, and whoa, different angles, we can get different reflections here, different colors as well. So this is the Redmi 5G Note 12 Pro Plus, and actually the first impression about this phone is it's so beautiful, and especially for the back panel, and also it's not so heavy when I had it on my hands, and I know it's only 187 grams, and also it's not so deep, not so thick. Actually it's very thin, it's only 7.9 mm. So yeah, when I hand it on my hand, it will not feel very heavy, and also I can control it comfortably. And also I think most of this model's users is, I think, is females, if you like these designs. But for males, it's too shiny and too cute, or too, yeah. So this is, yes, the first impression about this phone. And next I'm going to talk on the specifications one by one. First, let's go to the camera part. And this time they use a 1, 2, 3 triple rear camera system, and also the main one is a Sony IMX7 66, and this is the new sensor for this for flagship model, and also the main megapixel is 6p lens, and it supports aperture f1.88 big apertures, and the support autofocus, so it's good, and also it's have a 8 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel macro lens. So this is about the real camera system. Yes, and so this one, the main feature about this one is this time to use the film camera. And now let's wake up and we can show you the features about this phone. Yeah. So yes, after we talk on the cameras part, I will say I'll talk on the screen. This time, use okay. First, let's settings, turn on it and skip. Okay. Okay. Now we will enter the UI, the MIUI. This time, also use the latest MIUI. Support the MIUI 13. Okay, there's instructions for us to boot the smartphone. Okay, finally, set down complete the MIUI 17. Okay, so now we enter the UI. Whoa, and yes, the real camera system of the real camera system we have tilt, and for the front one is have a 72 megapixel or 32 megapixel front camera, and also about the screen, and this time they used the 6.67 inch full screen design. As we can see, it's have a video display performance because it's have a very good resolution rate is 2400 and 1080, and they support 120 Hz refresh rate. Is also can reach to peak sun brightness 900 nit, and also it support HDR and DCI-P3, and also it's an OLED screen. So this screen is so nice, and also it supports the high frequency PWM brightness adjustment, so it can adjust the brightness automatically. It's so nice. I think we can get the display information on the settings. Okay, yeah, display here. Yes, refresh rate, we can choose the refresh rate, stand higher customers refresh rate. So here 60 Hz and 120 Hz, we can set it here. This is pretty good. And next, let's show you the specifications about the processor. And this time they use advanced 6 nanometers processor from MediaTek. It's Dimensity 1080 is the high efficient processor and octa-core processor. Next memory support 3.0 gigahertz frequency. So yeah. Sorry, the 2.6 gigahertz maximum frequency here. And also this is for the CPU, and also for the For the GPU this time, use the Android 730 as well. So this is also cool, and the RAM and ROM is 8 GB RAM plus virtual 3 GB RAM expandable, and also ROM is 256. So this is pretty cool for the ROM 256. Maybe you cannot feel it, but actually it's can install over 200 musics. Yeah. And for the RAM, ROM is support LPDDR5 and UFS 3.1. So this is pretty cool on the processor as well. You can get good high efficiency, work efficiency, and no matter you play games or use it, can meet all of your daily life use. And also next part is, as I mentioned, is have a big battery, support the 67-watt fast charging plus 5,000 big batteries. So normally you can the standard uptime you can reach to 1.3 days, though it's only 7.9 millimeters. So it is cool, and they use the 67-watt fast charging. So normally 15 minutes you can charge from 0 to 50%, and also in 50 minutes you can get fully charged from 0% to 100%. So this is pretty cool on the camera part as well. And after the camera part, the screen part, the process rather the battery part, I'm also going to mention that this time they use the features like keep a lot of features like the 3.5mm headphone jacket, and also the Wi-Fi 6, and also support IP53 waterproof, and also it have a infrared remote controller, and it support X-axis motor and dual speaker here, and here dual speaker system here. And I think something I want to mention is that I want to show it here. They use the film camera. Okay, I will show you the camera. Camera part. Yes, this is about the camera. I will put a subject here, and then let's test the camera performance. Yeah, okay. We can try to get zoom pictures. Oh my god, it support 10 times zoom. Okay. Next, let's try to test okay, we try to test the let's have long pressure 50 megapixel. Okay, so now is have the 50 megapixel. Okay. Okay, when I use 50 megapixel, it only support 2 times. Okay, let's check the qualities. This is for 2 times 50 megapixels picture. Okay, 50 megapixel normal picture, 10 times normal mode, 1 time. Okay, so almost. Yeah, these are the pictures. So when I use 50 megapixels, I think the details are, yeah, the details are better than the normal. Also next, I'm going to show you the Pro functions, video, photo, portrait, night mode, more. Okay, here a long pressure, vlog, show videos. Okay, next I'm going to show you here. Here it's a macro. Okay. Yes, we can check final details of this. I can show you, change it to another. This back. Okay. Here. This one better. Yeah, we get the details when you use the macro, but it only support 2 megapixel macros, so it's not so clear. Okay, so this is about the camera, and this time the Redmi Note 12 Pro they also use the OIS optical anti-shake support, and also for the film camera is they use the 4-in-1 integrated pixel technology. So it means the 4 pixels together, they will make the 4 pixels together to a bigger 2 mu m big pixel, so it can improve the brightness, and also it can get good night vision pictures when we use it. As here we can find that it's for night vision as well. So yeah, so this is about the camera part, and it's also a very quick talk on this latest model from Redmi, the Redmi Note 12 Pro. Thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.